Today we're going to look at the student completion rules in Schoology. First, log into your MCS app portal. Once there, you will want to go and click on the Schoology application. Once you are logged into Schoology, you will want to locate the course that you are going to assign the completion rules to. From here, we are going to click on the Options button and then Student Completion Rules. There's a couple of options. First, we can add the requirements. So if you are adding individual assignments, plus then you can click on where it makes it automatically set for sequential order for the folders. You can even add more materials down there on the bottom. And once you've done that, you would want to go through and mark that each one has to be complete. You will see that the box there at the top is already pre-checked. And then we'll save our changes. Now we're going to look down here and we see that it says a check mark and must complete is grayed out. When I click on this folder, I have already set up the completion rules here, and you can see each one of these has a check mark. But you would do the same thing by going to Student Completion Rules and setting up the folders the same way you just did the last two folders. Now going into this folder, we're going to go and edit the Student Completion Rules. So we do have the assignments already in the folder. You can add those individually, or you can go through and make it in sequential order. Don't be alarmed if the loading box is up there for a while. There's a lot of content in this folder. So here you can see that each of the completion rules is set. Pre-test I put just to make a submission. And then for the quizzes, I put that they have to score at least a 60% to go to the next assignment. Because this blue box is checked here, that means that they have to complete the previous assignment before they can move on. I can uncheck that, and then they can move throughout the course or throughout this module as they see fit. If a student has completed the work and it's not letting them move forward, the first thing that I would do is unclick that and remove the sequential order box at the top of that screen. Here I'm going back in to show you again the student completion rules. This little box up at the top is the one that you would unclick. But let's say that you wanted to go through and you wanted to delete some of these assignments. You can just click on the X over to the right. If you've gotten that student pass where they can go on to the next assignment, if that glitch is still there, you can re-click that sequential order, or you can unclick it. You can also do like I'm doing here and just delete it out of the sequential order or the student completion rules completely, which allow the students to still complete it, but to be able to move on. If you accidentally delete an assignment, then instead of clicking Save Changes, you can go through and just click on Cancel so that that change is not saved. Remember, student completion rules are done at each level in the folders. So the main folder and then the module folders